guys, here is the next line up for the month of November. Got 4 kits from you, 4 different shops, and I'm definitely looking forward to what's going to happen this month. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. So for the first week of November, which by the way, guys, I know November has already started, but November 1st on a Monday in planner life, that's like amazing. So for this week, I'm going to be using this kit that I got from Sadie Stickers. I believe this was a random pull that I got. It's called Autumn Leaves. Beautiful with the leopard and the rose gold foil, because you guys already know. So those are the 9 full boxes here. This is an older kit of hers. So you got your box page, sidebar stickers, and some flags. You have your headers, some checklists, a lot of layering, some more boxes and appointment labels here. I did get the bow header add-on as well. And then this here is the bottom washi, the date covers, some additional boxes and washi strips. So cute. And then for this one, she did extend it all the way over. So 9 times out of 10, I'm going to cut that little piece there and extend it all the way over. And I do need to figure out, I think I'm going to do a doll this week. So hopefully I have a doll that matches and has like the colors and or leopard print, and add that with that. So that's going to be the first week. All right, for the second week of November, I'm going to be using this kit from Papershire. It's called Home. I believe I did buy this last year, and for whatever reason, I didn't use it. So we're going to use it now, because my biggest thing was trying to use the things that I have already before I buy anything else. And I think, you know, with the exception of some of the ones, I did buy some, and some of them are my mystery kits that I've gotten in. A lot of these kits are things that I've already had, that I've been using these past couple of weeks. So, but without further ado, y'all wasn't here for that. So these here are the 9 full boxes. This is like her paper is like I guess like a vinyl type paper. I'm not exactly sure, but I'll go on her website and look and double check, and I'll leave it on the screen and down in the description box for you guys to be sure. But I do love the way that it feels. So those are the boxes here, and this is like a super thick kit, so I have a lot of pages. So you got some checklists here, some boxes. Here are your date covers. You got some like washi strips, some deco, and then some of your bottom washi there. Here you got like flags and circle icons, some more deco, checklists, the weekend banner, a whole box full of a whole page full of boxes, as well as build, do, and habit trackers here. Then you have some headers, some word headers, and her light version of littles, which are more like quarter box size. And then that's it. So for this one, I'm thinking about pulling in, silver, but we will see, to be sure. Not sure yet, but that's the way I'm leaning, especially to break up. But I may also do gold, because I feel like gold would be really pretty with that as well. So we will see. But that's for the second week of November. Okay, so for the third week of November, I'm going to be using this mystery kit from Glam Planner. This was the September 2021 mystery kit, and it's just too cute to not use. One more kit that I did not have to go out and purchase in addition to, because I was already going to get it. And I really do love her mystery kits, and you get so many things that you can use with it. So I just thought it was perfect. So it's a lot of extras back here that I'll show you after I show you the base of the kit. So I do have her Luxe. If you guys don't know, she does have glossy paper. So those are the 8 full boxes here. You get checklists and deluxe, 2 additional boxes. This is her functional page here. You have your deco and scripts. One of her revamped pages. So you got your boxes and your washi and some word headers. This was her icons and little space that she pretty much like dialed back how many actual littles that you got. Then this is the bottom washi and date covers. And then with her Luxe, as she's been doing more recently, she does give you a lot of foil. So foil this time is going to be gold hollow, which is beautiful. So you got, this is going to go for her double box sheet. This is like a, these are actually 2 small boxes, so you can like layer over those. And then here you clearly see this will go right over those 8 full boxes. And this is for the bottom washi. You have 2 more of those boxes here. You have another one for the another additional box, and then you got some little smaller deco pieces. Her Luxe also comes with her header, her label sampler. Here is the double box scene, which is so beautiful. You got an additional scene here, and then all of your glitter headers. So that is everything that came in this mystery kit, and this will be for the 3rd week of November. All right, and then for the 4th and final week of November, I'm going to be using these full boxes from Indy N Ivy Ink. It's called Dear Black Man. This is the week of Thanksgiving. However, this is also my husband's birthday. Oh, my husband's birthday week. Yes. For him, as he has told me a lot of times, and I think especially being a man, and for whatever reason, you know, a lot of time men don't really make a big deal about their birthdays. So he said his birthday has always kind of been like overshadowed by Thanksgiving a lot of time growing up. So I try to make it a point to make sure his birthday stands out above everything else, and that includes in my planner as well. So I got these boxes here when I placed my order with Indy N Ivy. If I can remember what video I hauled this in, I will link it so you guys can see everything that I got from them. But I just got the boxes here, and then you got these 2 important reminder flags, and then this habit tracker here. But it's mainly I'm going to be using the boxes. And then I think here, since this is it's like the 9th box, but it's really a sidebar thing, I'm going to list 7 things that I love about him during this week on the sidebar. So these are the boxes that I'm going to use. I'm going to definitely layer this and foil it up with gold as well for this. He actually prefers silver. I may do silver as well because I think silver will really, I think it could work. So it's going to be either gold or silver, but you guys will just have to make sure you subscribe so you can check it out when it comes. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you know when I upload, because as of now I am planning current season, and then all of my spreads that I'm still gotta play catch up on will be sprinkled in here and there during these weeks. So that is the final kit slash boxes that I'll be using for the month of November. All right, and that completes this lineup for the month of November. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I know I've been enjoying watching these lineup videos to really see like what people use, what their thinking process is. So hopefully you guys are enjoying them too. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that bell notification, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.